the tree. These are the presents that are left. My mother already opened that plastic bag. That was what's in a plastic bag. Those are slippers. That big bag right there is mine. It's from Grandma, Uncle Tony, and Grandpa. And those are Mom's. These are mine, except for that little silver box there. That's actually chocolate from C's Candies. Mom likes that place, but there's not one near our house. So when I went and bought her, the body sprays from Bath and Body Works, which are in the clear plastic bags with the tags on them, I bought her that because they have one of the stores in the mall. That is probably my body pillow, because my old body pillow is having issues. It doesn't have a name on it. Some of this stuff does have a name. Dad just said your stuff is on that side. So I'm assuming also because this is on this side that it's probably mine. But I'm waiting for Mom to get home. She's at work, and then we can open them. It's actually not Christmas anymore. That was yesterday. So it's the 26th right now. So yeah, Dad's are already gone and opened. Including one from Grandma and them, and one's from us. They're opened. My brother's already opened, and his wife's. That right there is from their chocolate. Mom and Dad got them this box of Hawaiian chocolates. And this silver one over here, this was also to them. It says John and Allie on that little Santa Claus sticker. That was the bigger one. That one was an electric skillet. So I'll have to throw this paper away. They also got, these aren't part of it. There's a camera box. There's this camera. But they also got a Fry Daddy from them and something else. But they got that earlier, and then Dad gave him the other thing before we left, including me. So I already got one of my gifts. I already know what one of them is, but I don't know what the rest of stuff is besides that body pillow. Because it's wrapped like a burrito. And Dad said it was the last of wrapping paper, and he did beautiful wrapping with it. You don't waste stuff in this house. We also like to reuse things. For cheap reasons, and some of the things for the environment. But mostly for cheap reasons. Anyways, so those are what we have, and I'm waiting for Mom to get home from work, and then I'll open mine. I might open the big one with Dad, but I'll probably wait until Mom gets here to open them, because I like to open them with everybody. So I'll ask Dad if he liked his or not. But why do I keep burping? Sorry. Good day. Bye. I hope you had a good holiday, or if you're celebrating the holidays, whichever holiday you celebrate. Bye. Have a good day.